Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain in GoDaddy. So it is pretty simple and easy to do, so let's get started. Go to GoDaddy and here you will see type the domain you want. So let's say I want guide 2 and click search domains. And here you will see all the domains that it is available. So let's say I want to buy guide 2, the cheapest one. So as you can see, guide 2 travels. It is first year only with 3-year term for only 0.23 cents only for the first year. After that you'll pay the full amount. But you can find some domains, and if you find the right domain, just click on the cart, and as you can see, just click view cart. Here you will be able to select the years from 1 year to 2 years to 3 to 5 or 10. And here you'll need to click on continue to cart and just do the normal payment. So here you can select full domain protection, so it is prevents from hackers and requires approval via two-factor verification for vital changes like deleting or transferring a domain. So that's pretty much it. So that's how you buy domain in GoDaddy. So thank you guys and see you in the next one.